Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will guide you through Gana 2025, a critical national development framework. This plan sets the vision for the country's progress over the next few years. Understanding its core components is essential for all citizens. It outlines specific objectives and targets that will shape our future, impacting daily life and long-term opportunities across the nation. This overview helps you grasp its overall importance and scope. Gana 2025 is built upon several strategic pillars designed to ensure balanced development. Economic diversification and job creation are top priorities to strengthen the nation's financial stability. Furthermore, critical infrastructure, such as roads and digital networks, will see substantial upgrades. These focused efforts aim to improve the quality of life for all Ghanaians, providing better access to essential services and opportunities nationwide. Your voice is important in shaping Gana 2025 implementation. The government actively encourages public participation and feedback throughout this process. You can attend town hall meetings, which are frequently announced, or submit comments online through various ministry portals. Engaging with these opportunities ensures that diverse perspectives are considered, helping to refine policies and make them more effective for everyone involved. Gana 2025 includes specific economic targets designed to foster stability and growth. The government projects a real GDP growth rate reaching 5% by the end of 2025. Furthermore, there's a strong focus on bringing inflation down to a single digit, ideally around 8%. These targets, along with a projected fiscal deficit reduction to about 5% of GDP, aim to create a robust economic environment for businesses and citizens. Staying informed about Gana 2025 developments is straightforward and highly recommended. You can find comprehensive details and official documents on the Ministry of Finance and Planning websites. Additionally, government press releases offer the most current information on policy implementations and progress. Following these official sources ensures you have accurate, up-to-date knowledge about the national development agenda and its impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.